guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering, Mike, why are you wearing a toque inside? Well, let me tell you, because it is negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It was actually minus 39, which is basically minus 40, which is minus 40 Celsius and minus 40 Fahrenheit last night. So yeah, it's cold. And that's why we're not working on K2. So anyways, that's why I'm wearing a toque. It's 55 degrees inside right now, so it's not that bad. Okay, it's not that warm either. I can't help it, it's cold. Just make it pay, there we go. So yeah, it's 55 degrees inside, and I feel like doing something a little more fun. You know, I was looking at the interior on Kenny, and I gotta JB weld the dash back together. But I was looking at the passenger side, I'm like, why is the passenger door upholstery not on, as well as the kick panel in front of it? So, no reason. The light's missing, but I can get a light and put the light in after. And when I do door locks, which I'm not doing yet, I can pull it back off then. So, we're gonna clean them up because I've got them. Let me show you. Just wait right there. Wait right there. I'll come to you. You don't have to come with me. I'll go to you. Ta-da! Here it is. It's dirty, like it's real dirty, but they're there. It was in the back of the truck and it was obviously taken off to fix the latch or something. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it up because the cardboard, it's got a bit of staining there, which it's weird because it looks like oil staining, but you know what? Run what you brung. I wonder what this says. I don't know, I can't read that. That's a part number. Yeah, so somebody obviously got it too close to oil and it wicked up, but you know what? We're gonna stick it on. Because until we get new upholstery, it's good enough. Run what you brung, right? Run what you brung! And we got the dash pad piece, which ironically enough, it's got snap buttons. So that seems really easy to put back on, but it needs to be cleaned, as well as the pad for front of the heater. So I'm gonna clean that up too. It's got a little scratchy scratch there, but backside looks good. So I'm gonna get out my nifty spray nine and we're gonna give that a whirl because I think that would look a heck of a lot better than leaving it as is. And you know what, the heater in this thing, it looks fine. I don't think I need to take it out and it works good as far as making heat. So that also is good. So, should I put something down on the ground or should I just, I don't know, maybe I should. Maybe I'll do it over there. That's what I'll do. I'm just gonna do it on the ground and get my knee pads because you know what? I don't wanna hurt my knees any more than I already have, so. Because we already had that conversation about my knee. Anyways, I think it's getting better though. Nerve damage, who would have thought it? Okay, let's get to work. Ow, oh, it still hurts. Oh well, what do you do? Getting old sucks. Actually, no, getting old doesn't suck. I mean, you can't even see me there. I need to scooch forward. So yeah, I retract the statement getting old sucks, because getting old is a privilege not everybody gets. So I have a little solution of Mr. Clean Water. Just give her a little wipey wipe. A liberal quantity. I was gonna make a political joke, but I better not. Because I don't know who y'all vote for. And honestly, I don't care. Alrighty. Stuff works amazing. I mean, I'm amazed at how quickly this is getting better. I mean, there's still some black. That's a terrible noise. I should have swept the floor first. I mean, it's not that, well, yeah, it's not that bad, but Now I'm gonna use a little more bristly of a brush. More bristly. More bristly. There we go. Oh yeah. Concentrate on a couple of spots to kind of soak in. And then I'll move on to the door panel. So I was doing this on the floor, and then I realized I've got a Costco bench. So it's like, why not do it on a bench? And then I don't have to kneel on the floor. I know, right? Why didn't I think of it sooner? Well, it's like so many things. So, oh yeah, it's working. Better. I don't really need to do the back, but I'd like the edges that a person can see done. That definitely looks better, eh guys? Wipe off on the back. I'll just go get a dry cloth, give it a wipe, and then start on the other ones. Definitely better than it was. It's got some kind of yellow staining there, but I think that's from oil. I think this got set somewhere where an oil jug or something leaked, and of course the cardboard sucked it up and it changed the color. That's a little bit water damage there, but it's dry. And on this side, doesn't look that bad. I mean, aside from the yellow, there's a little bit there that I couldn't get off, and right here. I might try again when it's in the truck, but that'll look better than just a plain door. So yeah, we'll throw these on and see how that looks. Okay, I've harvested some screws that I found in the truck, around the truck, everywhere in the truck. They're the Torx with the little, I don't know if you can see that, the little washer thing. And I do have a couple new ones, but we're gonna utilize all the old ones first. So that should go in there like this. Like this. Now, I'm not a fan of using power drills with screws, because that's how you strip them. So that's why I'm using my my drill and not my impact driver. And I've got this torque set to 2, but I think I'm actually going to turn it. Well, that's as low as it goes. So, so that's why I'm using it with the torque set. So I don't strip them, because it doesn't take much to strip these things, and there's nothing more annoying than and then it's stripped. And I'm also utilizing the holes that are already there, because I don't want to make new holes. Even though they're self-tappers and you could. There. There. Look at that. Looks better already. I mean, it'd look even better if I had a kit from the day cab company, but you know what? Rome wasn't built in a day. I don't know how long it took to build Rome, but pretty sure it took longer than a day. Gotta check this out. I'm gonna put my headlamp on so you can see a little better, but look at the door. Look at the door. Here, let me put my headlamp on. Look at this door. Yeah. I touched up the paint on the bottom too. Looks way better. It's a little yellowy here from that stain, but it's better than the alternative. Got the armrest on, cleaned it up. It was really badly filthy. Really badly filthy. That's not very good English. And look at this. Oh yeah. Touched up the floor. Now, Kenny's got a big gusset in here, and I painted that as well. I don't know if you can see that, but this cab's been reinforced. So this screw, I got to put this screw in yet, and these ones, I need to figure out putting those ones in because that's a big steel plate back there. But you know what? Doesn't that look good? I just love it. And this wire was going to our beacons, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there yet. Oh, I almost forgot. There's something else you guys gotta check out. Okay, I'm gonna set you up here. I'm just gonna set you up, looking at the beauty that is my diamond interior. Okay, so hold that thought. Actually, I could probably climb up over here. Oh yeah! Yeah, look at that. Since I had to put this back in and my wires were in the way, what I had done is my wires here were actually on the outside, so I had to tuck them on the inside. So I took the liberty of hooking up a red LED strip. It's a little bit crooked, but no one's gonna know, right? No. Well, except I just told you, so now you guys know. But that's gonna be so cool at night because it'll just be a footwell light. And you know what? When you're sitting up here and you look down, just be a nice glow so you can see where your feet are, if you got anything in there. So, and I'm gonna get some nice rubber matting for in here. Somebody actually pointed out some diamond mat stuff that looks intriguing. Might look kind of cool, actually. But I am really happy with how that turned out. So, you know, it's too bad this door has the yellow stain because you really notice it compared to the other stuff. But it is what it is. Beats the heck out of a $10,000 new interior. And I don't know if the day cab company makes interiors for Cabovers, but anyways, this is good enough for now. So I really like that red strip of LEDs. I'm gonna put one on the driver's side, and I'm gonna put some in the sleeper too, because I like red. But check out, since we're on the subject of putting the interior back in, check out what I've been doing. Now, I didn't record this because I didn't think it would be all that entertaining watching me clean panels, but I've got all the interior panels except for the roof panels cleaned. I've got them drying up here on top of the car. The roof rack is pretty dang handy. So the side sleeper panels, I've got the curtains for the closet here. I cleaned those up because those were filthy dirty. And yeah, look at that. You know, And that's the one thing that I really like about a VIT interior. And if you're wondering, what's a VIT interior? What does VIT stand for? VIT stands for very important truck. So on a Kenworth, to get the VIT interior, it gives you the buttons, and I don't know if you can still choose button color, but back in the day, you could choose your button color and have the contrast. And being that Kenny has blue buttons, that's why I don't know that I'm going to paint him BJ. Well, actually, I'm pretty dang sure I'm not going to paint him BJ in the Bear colors because of the blue buttons. I think I'll paint K2 those colors, but we'll see. At this stage, it's too early to tell. But the panels are all clean, except for the headliner ones. I got to do those yet. And we're going to continue putting the interior in. Something that I got for cleaning that worked really fast is these scrub brushes that hook onto your drill. I got these at Princess Auto. I saw them and I thought, ooh, that'd be handy. And then as I was scrubbing this with a scrub brush, I thought, hey, those would be coming. Those would be, let's try this again. Those scrub brushes I got would work really well for this. So that's what we did. But yeah, pretty excited with the progress today. We'll continue putting the interior back in. You know, I do have body work to do, but that's going to be on the outside. So I think I'm okay to put the interior back. Well, that, and if I have to take some out, I'll take it out. But I don't know about you guys, but when we look at the interior of Kenny, I'm tired of seeing them all, call it rat roddy. And I need to bath them, but it's minus, well, it might be minus 40 now outside because the sun's gone down and it was minus 33 earlier. Ugh. Anyways, but what do you think of the LED lights? I like it. I like it a lot. And we're gonna do some more LED lights in the back sleeper and do some more red lights on the floor on the driver's side. Because it was that one light that was in there that made me think, hey, I should put a footwell light on the passenger side. Oh, and the other thing, now, these lights are missing, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put some red lights here. I'm either gonna make a plate and maybe have a couple of penny lights, or maybe a couple of watermelon lights. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do just a regular, I think it's gotta be red lights. I'm thinking maybe, yeah, maybe some penny lights. What do you think? I think that'd be kind of cool, eh? Could almost do like, well, yeah, the mini watermelons would be nice. They're a little pricey though, but hey, you can't put a price on cool. As long as you can afford it. Don't need to afford anything. All you need is good credit. We'll pay for it later. All right, well, I'm going to let this dry and continue cleaning panels. So. Well, that's it. I got them all clean. The only thing that I don't have clean are the hard plastic panels, which, I mean, it'll be an easy, quick wipe, and the curtains. And the curtains look bad. But you know what? These look bad too. Now this one, the headliner, I don't know if you remember my videos, but it was sagging and it's not looking stellar on the other side, but I don't know if you can see it there. But there is some water damage. But what I did is scraped, it had like a fabric backing, so I ripped that off. And there was some water damage and, I don't know, black looking moldy stuff. So I soaked it right down with the spray 9 and yeah, cleaned it up. So anyways, guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, and if you've got a VIT interior in a Kenworth, these little scrubby brushes work like the cat's meow to get into those buttons. So even if your truck is all in one piece and it's dirty, I would use those to clean it up. So anyways, guys, take care. Peace.